Hello students, to find out acidic strength given following alcohols. I gave three types of alcohols are there, and the first compound, the each and every compound having OH groups are there. This first compound having oxygen having negative charge, hydrogen having positive charge. In between attraction is there, and second compound also having oxygen having negative charge and hydrogen having positive charge. Here also attraction is there, and C compound also having oxygen having negative charge and hydrogen having positive charge. These all three compounds are attraction is present in between and oxygen and hydrogen. Out of these three, which one is more acidic nature? What is, how to find out that acidic nature of acidic means, acid means what? A substance which easily donate the proton is called acid. So out of these three, which one is easily donating proton? Find out the first one. Now here this oxygen beside is two carbons are there, that is ethyl group. What is the role of ethyl group? This ethyl group is belongs to plus I group. Ethyl group belongs to plus I group. What is the role of plus I group? This plus I group is always electron releasing group. Plus I group is always electron releasing. So that's why negative charge increases on oxygen. Negative charge is slightly increases on oxygen, means density increases on oxygen. So that's why here negative charge is more dominating than positive charge. Here negative charge is more dominating, so that's why H plus cannot move easily, H plus cannot break easily in A compound. What about B compound? CH2 double bond, CH then single bond. This oxygen also negative charge is there, but here in B compound having conjugation. What I said, that is conjugation means what I said, conjugation means double bond then single bond then negative charge, double bond then single bond then positive charge, double bond then single bond and lone pair also conjugation, double bond then single bond then double bond then single bond then double bond. These all are conjugation. So B compound having conjugation is there. So here double bond then single bond then negative charge. This negative charge participating in the resonance, the negative charge is delocalization, the negative charge participating in the resonance. So here this oxygen having negative charge on oxygen disappear. This negative charge disappear on oxygen. This negative charge is completely participating in the resonance. So negative charge, there is oxygen having do not contain any negative charge. Why? Because of this negative charge participating in the resonance. So that's why H plus easily donating. B compound having easily donate the proton. B compound having easily donate the proton compared to A compound, compared to compared to the A, B compound is more acidic nature. Why? Because of here this oxygen negative charge on oxygen, this negative charge participating in the resonance. So that's why here weak attraction is present. Here weak attraction is there. So that's why H plus easily donating. Proton is easily donating, B compound is easily donating the proton. And what about C compound? In C compound having this oxygen having negative charge, but C compound also having resonance or conjugation is there. Conjugation means what I said, double bond then single bond then double bond then single bond, and oxygen having negative charge is there. This negative charge participating in the resonance, this resonance, this oxygen having negative charge, this negative charge participating in the resonance. Here two times participating, this negative charge participating in the two times, this negative charge participating in the two times. In B compound only one step, but in C compound having this negative charge participating in the two times. So that's why this negative charge is completely disappear. So he completely disappear. So that's why this oxygen and hydrogen in between weak attraction is there, weak attraction is present. So that's why the C compound is easily donating the proton, easily donating the proton. So here out of these three, which one is more acidic nature? Here C compound is greater than B compound, B compound is more acidic than A compound. This is the simple trick, student. C compound is more acidic than B compound, B compound is more acidic than A compound. What about A compound? This in A compound oxygen having more density, oxygen having more negative charge is there, H plus cannot move easily. So that's why strong attraction is present in between oxygen and nitrogen, strong attraction is there. So strong attraction is there. So that's why cannot break H plus, cannot break it, cannot donate the proton. So that is the reason, student. So here out of these two, B compound and C compound, B compound also having conjugation, C compound also conjugation. Out of these two, which one is better? Here more number of double bonds are there, that is a more acidic nature, student. Very most important simple trick, more number of double bonds are there. Simply remember, more number of double bonds are there, that compound is always more acidic nature. B compound having only one double bond is there, only one time conjugation, and C compound having double bonds alternate. Compulsory double bond means must and should alternate only, not continuation. Double bond, then single bond, then double bond, then single bond, then double bond, then single bond, that is called conjugation. So here two double bonds are there, that's why it is more acidic nature. B compound is more acidic than C compound is more acidic than B compound. That is the reason, student. B compound having C compound having this negative charge participating the two times, but in B compound only one time. So that is the reason, student. More number of double bonds are there, that compound is always more acidic nature. This is a simple trick, student. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. Thank you.